Select the user settings from the Tools menu. Here you can set the username that it will become visible on the top right bar of the page. You may also set the email and the name of the company. You can choose the language and your Facsys homepage layout. You can also select the document viewer options by checking the Open Documents in a New tab box. You can choose between two default view options, Grid View or Cards View. If you selected the grid view, you can also choose between the infinite scrolling mode or the paged mode, where you can set the default number of rows per page. In the Details to Show on Grid section, you can set the details that you want to show by choosing between the options None, Linked Documents, and Activities. With the first option, no details are displayed. The second option allows you to see any linked documents to the one you select. With the third option, all the activities related to the document are displayed. You can also customize and set the fax module.